just gassed up. So now it's time to go head over to Salem Lake for a little while. See how gloomy or cool or whatever, however it looks. Definitely just want to walk the trail a little bit and yeah, just play in the snow. Yeah. Go for a quick walk, see how far we can get before I freeze my butt off. But it's definitely getting icier. We got sleet, frozen rain, freezing rain, whatever you want to call it, coming down. It's horrible, but it's kind of pretty though. Like I said before, we don't get much snow here in North Carolina, so I like to get out in it when we do. It's a lot of fun. All right, so check out one view going down the trail. Kind of see some tire tracks, almost like somebody may have ridden their bike out here in this. Now, if I had a fat tired bike, this would definitely be a lot of fun. You know, just the kind of 4-inch wide tire just crunching down on the snow / ice. Yeah, that would be fun. Maybe one day I'll get me one. I don't know, who knows? We don't get this often enough. And that bike would probably just sit in the garage, kind of like my BMX, and not really get much love at all. So. Temperature's slightly dropping, it feels like. It's getting a little colder and colder as I sit out here longer. There are little birds everywhere looking for food. I'm sure they'll find it eventually. A bunch of bluebirds. I don't know if you can see. But I think there's a little Oreo right there going. through the brush trying to find some food. Oh, I love the snow though. There's just something peaceful and calm about it. And it sure is pretty. So I tell you, the more I'm out here in this wooded area of Winston Salem in the snow, the more I want to go snow camp. So I posted up the video this morning and was hoping to get some discussion going on it. It's out there now. So if you're watching this and you want to contribute to some of the discussion around my ideas, my concept for the camper trailer frame, I'll just shove a link up here in the corner somewhere, and you'll be able to go directly to it. Also at the end of this video, I'll link to that discussion, that talk that I had. I kind of went over the drawings that I have so far of the camper frame itself, and not too in depth, nothing necessarily set in stone yet, but I definitely want to get this thing done. Oh, there's a couple of buffleheads out here. Nice. I do want to get this done. I do want to get the camper built, done, completed, so I can start enjoying the camping life. So yeah, this is definitely something I want to go do, is camp in situations like this. Just seems like a lot of fun. Sitting by a campfire, snow, sipping on some whiskey. Sounds like a fun time, right? Alright, so made it to the spot that I wanted to get to. Pretty cool view. And now it's time to head back to the Jeep and adventure on to the grocery store. So yeah, this has been a fun little hike. A little chilly. Not the warmest day of the month. I think, what, 2 weeks ago we had I think it's 65 to 70 degree temps, even in our mountains, at like anywhere between 2,500 and 3,000 feet above sea level. And 2 weeks later, we have all this. So yeah, typical North Carolina weather. And I think we're supposed to be getting some more of this next weekend. So maybe I'll get out in it again, have some fun. Cool. All right. Headed back to the Jeep. So I got to come up with something for dinner, and I think with weather like this, it's a no-brainer. Chili beans. Made it back to the Jeep, and I guess it's time to adventure to the grocery store. Gotta get the stuff for the week. Gotta get stuff for chili beans, and go ahead and knock this out, get it over with, start working on the video, maybe drink a beer. Yeah. That was scary. So it appears that the only grocery store that's open at this time is Walmart. So I had to venture out to the big Walmart because our neighborhood Walmart was not open as well, along with a Food Lion. Seems like this town has shut down due to inclement weather. So, but yeah, a lot of fun. I mean, I guess. Didn't get everything that I needed, but I think I got everything I need for chili beans, with the exception of some crackers, but I think we will get over that. Maybe I'll just cruise on over and see if there's another grocery store open in the area. So, all right, let's roll. Home sweet home. Made it back. And it's still coming down. It is just crazy. I hear a puppy barking. Wow, but yeah, still coming down. Now, time for a beer. Drinking my cheap old Modelo's. Some of the best beer though. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this short little snowy adventure here in the Winston Salem area of North Carolina. I mean, good God. It's now starting to get that, like that surreal quietness just because of all the snow, ice kind of dampening the sound. But it's pretty cool. Got people sledding in the front. But yeah, it's a fun little video just to be doing a video for the most part. So yeah, go ahead and click like on this video if you like it. If you don't, then click dislike 2 times. Make sure you get that extra one in there though. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, so that you get notifications on any future videos that I do release, and you can jump right on and be one of the first to watch them. And as always, keep adventuring.